In the realm of human experience where restlessness and longing entwine, I've crafted a poem that explores the timeless theme of solitude and the price of perpetual motion. Here's a piece that weaves together the threads of Rolling Stone's existence, the beauty of stillness, and the ache of loneliness. The Wanderer's Lament. A rolling stone without a place to rest, gathers no moss and finds no nest. It wanders alone through mountains high and wide, a solitary figure gliding with the tide. The wind its companion, the sun its guide. It moves with purpose yet without a stride. No roots to hold it, no earth to claim, a fleeting shadow without a name. In constant motion it finds no peace, a restless heart that cannot cease. It gathers no wisdom, no stories to tell, a solitary wanderer without a dwelling to dwell. The moss that it misses, a symbol of growth, a reminder of stability and a life that's loath. To settle and deepen, to take root and thrive, a life that's anchored and not left to drift and strive. The Rolling Stone's solitude, a heavy price to pay for the freedom to roam and never stay. It knows no comfort, no warmth of home, a perpetual stranger forever to roam. In the silence of night, it hears its own voice, a whispered lament, a solitary choice, to keep on moving, to never stay, a restless heart that's driven by the day. The stars above, a twinkling sea, a celestial map that guides it to be, a wanderer of the world without a shore, a rolling stone that's forevermore. In the end, it's not the distance that it roams, but the emptiness that it carries to its homes, a rolling stone's solitude, a poignant refrain, a reminder of the price of a life that's in vain.